Hello, good evening, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle, a binary puzzle. In the additional of today's newspaper on Friday, yes, almost weekend, Friday, May the 12th, 2023. Already solved two puzzles. The 1-star Sudoku, the 4-star Sudoku, so two puzzles are left. The tectonic with 4 stars. In Dutch, they call it Saiva block. In Japanese, they call it Suguru. And you are not interested in this one, but in the binary puzzle. Yes, it's binary time, and this one will be number 6, 4, 2, 5. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count the boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row. Oh, wait. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 18 printed digits. 18. Alright. Well, it's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 O's and 4 1s. Alright, so let's get started. Double O. Here one, there one. Now we have 4 1s. So the rest are O's. Alright. Double O, here one, there one. Between the 1s comes an O. 4 O's we have here in this column, so the rest are 1s. Double O, here one, there one. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Between the 1s comes an O. Between the 1s comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Between the 1s comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Between the 1s comes an O. And now, double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Between the O's comes in 1, between the O's comes in 1. Now we have 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Between the 1s comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Wow. Between the 1s comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4 1s, so the rest are O's. And 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. And 1, 2, 3, 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Well, and 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Between two O's comes in 1, and 1, 2, 3, 4 1s, so the rest are O's. And 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double check. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, completed in 2 minutes. Well. Without comparing again. And we solve it again. And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle, a tectonic with 4 stars. Until then, bye-bye for now.